What's going on, everybody? Got my little 87 S10 here, the 305 in it. I'm about to put the carburetor back on it. I took it off a while back to start up that motor out there, the 350 Vortec that I got to go in this truck. Put it on there to start that motor up and run it and all. And I was about to put it back on here, but got a little issue. As you can see, there's rat shit everywhere. Even down in there, because I forgot to put something over that. I don't know if there's any living down in there, but I'm gonna put the carburetor back on it and start it up. And if there's anything in there, I guess we'll find out. And Justin, if you're watching this, I need to get that oil pan and timing cover from you, so I can put this thing in there and come play. Maybe the rat shitting all over my motor is a sign that this motor is shit and I need to put that 350 in it. Alright, carburetor's on there, all hooked up. We'll put a battery in it. Hopefully there ain't no wires chewed up. We'll see if she starts. Battery's in. I don't see no wires or nothing smoking just yet. And hopefully I won't, but let's see if she'll start. I guess the damn battery's dead. See what happens now. No power at all. I think I got it now. Wow, running like pure D shit. Sounds like got a few rocker arms loosened up. That mouth cover over there is leaking oil into the header. I might pull the valve covers, check them rockers though. They obviously loose. I hear them clattering. Wish I had a shop vac instead of just blowing this shit everywhere. It's like 7 o'clock in the evening. It's still hot as hell out here. Damn, how long is this bolt? Do got one rocker loose so far. I'm gonna check the rest, tighten that one up and check the rest of them, check the other side. I had a couple rockers on each side loose. Tighten them up, went over them a few times. Put these valve covers back on there. And it should be good to go for a little while. But I think that cam is just wearing out. I done changed the lifters one time. And I've tightened these rockers up. This is probably the third or fourth time I've had to tighten the rockers. So I think the lobes on that cam are wearing out. I don't think the studs or backing out of the heads, because they all about the same. I think it's just the cams wearing out. But put these valve covers back on there and fire up, see how she sounds and runs. Looks like they got one of my wires. Damn rats. Another one chewed up right there. I'm not sure what it goes to. Sounds a little bit better. Still got a ticking noise to it. But got bad header leak over here on this side. That's mainly what that noise is. Got everything all back together and everything, so I reckon I'll wait till tomorrow daytime since this thing got late on me. I don't want to piss nobody off and get the law called on me tonight, so wait till tomorrow and run it down the road a little bit. Next evening here, so let's see how this thing starts up after sitting all night and all day. Got a rocker tapping pretty bad, and it sounds like it's running on, got a dead cylinder. I think this old motor's about had it. Should be able to hear that, definitely on this side. Yep, I see why it's got a dead miss, like I said. Plug wire come apart, but still got a pretty good tick coming from under the valve cover. There's pretty loose. This old motor's just about had it. It's low on compression, low on oil pressure after it warms up and idling. It only has like 3 pounds of oil pressure idling. It's weak. Pretty sure the cam lobes are wearing out on it. That's why it keeps loosening the rockers. I don't think any of the studs are backing out, which they could be. I mean, I don't know what lift the cam is, but studs might be backing out on the heads. Either way, whole motor's about had it. But I reckon I'm just going to stick that valve cover back on it. And that's going to be the end of this one. So like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned for more later.